have done my hair before.
This Friday at Radio Shack.
I do never do my hair.
Have gifts all day
You're doing
long.
your hair now.
Get there early for doorbuster deals.
You don't want to do my hair?
Friday. Doors open
No,
at
I don't
5:30
never
a.m.
do my hair.
So
Why
right.
not? You hurt my feelings.
I do hurt your feelings, but I was told to do her hair tomorrow.
You gonna do my hair tomorrow?
Huh? Did I say something?
Huh?
I'm going to your hair tomorrow. Hey?
Sound like she said, "Do you have a cell phone?"
Are you gonna call me and let me know when to come?
Yeah.
You can't do it now?
You have to call for an appointment.
I don't have a tall for a point. And since they go,
Are you gonna do my toes too?
tomorrow.
How much you gonna charge me?
26.
$26? That's a pretty good price.
Are you gonna curl my hair?
You can get your fingers and your toes for $26.
Now I take them off.
You're cutting all off of one side, baby. You need to get both sides.
Both sides?
You gotta cut both sides. Yeah. I noticed Trista using her left hand.
Because I don't never do her.
Did she draw all over herself with the pen earlier? Oh, I cleaned it all off of her, but all the ink was on her right arm and her face, like she was using the left hand to do it with. She may be a lefty.
Are you gonna speed
She's
race
gonna be a
too?
And
southpaw.
I don't think ladies.
Sweet.
You got started.
Will you cut my hair now?
No.
Why not?